Welcome students. Students, yesterday we have studied the highest common factor. Yesterday we have studied highest common factors of given two or more numbers. Today we shall study about the least common multiples of given two or more numbers. Least common multiples. Least, in the word least, take the first letter L. In the word common, take the first letter C. In the word multiple, take the first letter M. So, least common multiples is known as LCM. LCM means least common multiples. L stands for least, C stands for common, and M stands for multiple. What is LCM? LCM is the least common multiple. So, LCM of any two or more numbers is the least of their common multiple. Question: what is LCM of what is LCM? Answer: LCM is the least common multiple. Next question: what is the LCM of two or more numbers? Two or more numbers. Answer: LCM of two or more numbers is LCM of two or more numbers is the number is the least number LCM of two or more numbers is the least number of their multiples, of their common multiples. Common multiples. This is known as the LCM of two or more numbers. Now students, let us study how to find the LCM of given two numbers or given three numbers. Let us take for example, find the LCM of, find the LCM of 4 and 6. Students, in finding the LCM of any given two or more numbers, there are three methods. There are three methods. There are three methods to find LCM of given two or more numbers. Students, there are totally three methods to find LCM. First method is collecting all the multiples of given numbers. Collecting all multiples. Collecting all multiples. Second number 1, by prime factorization method. By prime factorization method. And one more method is by division method. By division method. Now let us find the LCM of 4 and 6 by all the three methods. LCM of 4 and 6 by collecting all multiples. LCM of 4 and 6 by collecting all multiples. First write all the multiples of 4. All multiples of 4 is equals to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, etc. All these are the multiples of 4. Similarly, write all the multiples of 6. Write 6 table: 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, etc. Now encircle the numbers which are common in both the multiples. 12 is common, then 24 is common, then 36 is common. Similarly, we get number of common multiples. Therefore, these are the common multiples. Therefore, common multiples of 4 and 6 is equals to, write the numbers which are encircled. First number 12, second number 24, third number 36, like this. There are number of common multiples. Now in all these common multiples, take the least multiple. Least means lowest, smallest. Therefore, least multiple. Least means lowest or smallest. Lowest multiple. In all these common multiples, 12 is the lowest. It is 12. Therefore, LCM of 4 and 6 is equals to 12. Now we got least common multiple of 4 and 6, 12. We found LCM of 4 and 6 by collecting all multiples. Now the same question by prime factorization method. Second method is by prime factorization method. The given two numbers are 4 and 6. Take the first number. First number is 6. First number is 4. Find its prime factors by dividing only by prime numbers. Divide 4 by first prime number 2. 2 2s are 4. Once again divide this 2 by 2. 2 1s are 2. And similarly, one more given number is 6. Divide this number by first prime number 2. 2 3s are 6. Now divide this 3 by 3. 3 1s are 3. Therefore, 4 can be written as 2 into 2. 4 is equals to 2 into 2. And 6 is equals to 2 into 3. 6 is equals to 2 into 3. This is the prime factorization of 4. This is the prime factorization of 6. Now, in both the prime factorization, in the first prime factorization 2 appears 2. 2 appears maximum 2 times, and factor 3 appears maximum 1 time. Therefore, LCM of 4 and 6 is equals to, take 2 times 2, 1 time 3. 2 times 2, 2 into 2, then 1 time 3. Now take the product, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. This is the LCM of 4 and 6. By collecting all the multiples of 4 and 6, the LCM of these two numbers was found 12. Now also the LCM of the same number 4 and 6 by prime factorization method, it is also 12. Now third method, that is division method. LCM of 4 and 6 by division method. Write the given two numbers 4 and 6. The given two numbers 4 and 6, both are divisible by 2. Now dividing both numbers by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now once again, these two numbers does not divisible by 2 or 3. Divide the first number 2 by 2 only. 2 1s are 2. We can divide 2 by 2 only. 3 does not divisible by 2. Write 3 as it is. Now we can divide 3 by 3 only. Write 1 as it is. 3 1s are 3. Now the factors are 2, 2, 3. Take their product. It will be the LCM of 4 and 6. Therefore, LCM of 4 and 6 is equals to, take the product of 2, 2, 3. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. This is the LCM of the given two numbers 4 and 6. Students, in all the three methods, the methods are changed, the methods are different, but the LCM of the given two numbers, or they may be three numbers, the LCM at last it is same, no change in the answer. Students, similarly, let us solve one more question by any one method. Find LCM of 12 and 18. Take number 12. Use the prime factorization method. First number is 12. Divide the number 12 by first prime number 2. The given two numbers are 12 and 18. Take the first number 12. Divide the number 12 by first prime number 2. 2 6 are 12. Once again 2 3 are 6. Next 3 1 are 3. And one more number, it is 18. Write the given number 18. Divide this number by first prime number 2. It is 2. 2 9s are 18. Then dividing 9 by next prime number 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 12 can be written as, therefore 12 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. And 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3. Therefore, here 2 appears maximum times 2. 2 appears maximum 2 times. 3 appears maximum 2 times. Here 2 appears maximum 2 times. And factor 3 appears maximum 2 times. In the first prime factorization 2 appears maximum 2 times, 3 appears only once. In the second prime factorization of 18, 2 appeared only once and 3 appeared 2 times. Maximum number of 2 appears is 2 and maximum number of 3 appears is 2. Therefore, LCM of 12 and 18 is equals to 2 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 times 3. 3 into 3. 2 times 2. 2 times 3. That is equals to 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. Therefore, LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. Okay, students. Similarly, try to find the LCM of numbers from your exercise and try to solve them.